doing, everyone? Welcome to day one of the ACFT training program. So I developed this program just to help my fellow body. So the only thing you guys have to do for me is just hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification. Let's share this with our fellow soldier or our fellow friend, because the goal is to help one another. All right, so for day one, our focus is going to be to build the core, because you guys understand the core is what holds the body together. So, and you guys know the core is required for all the 6 events of the ACFT, even running. A lot of you might not know that. So the leg tuck, the deadlift, and all other events require some strong core. So that's what we're going to be focusing on day one, which is today. All right, so day one, focusing on some isometric hold, just with our body. Is going to range from plank to our V-sit or dead bug. And also we're going to be doing some body work that's just focusing on the core and arm. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification. Also, I'm also a real estate agent in Colorado. So if you guys are in the market of buy or selling real estate property, make sure you guys give me a call. My information is right here. Make sure you guys contact me. If you guys are in any other state, you guys can also contact me as well too, because I have a huge network of agents all over the state. So I can make it happen for you. You guys know, if I trust somebody to represent you, I'm 100% sure they're going to give it all they got, and they're going to do the job to the best of their knowledge. So guys, you ready? Day one is going to start in a few minutes. All right, guys, before we start day one, you guys should pause this video, do some dynamic warm-up just to get your body ready for the core work that we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, let me go change. I'm going to get right there. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, are you guys ready? All right, so as I've already mentioned, so today is just going to focus on core. Let's build that core for day 2 of the ACFT training. All right, so for today it's going to be 25 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. So it's going to vary from isometric, just some plank hold, to varieties of just movement that is going to involve the core and arms. All right, you guys ready? All right, let the time begin. So the first exercise is going to just be some plank, just regular plank, elbow plank. All right, you guys ready? All right, get ready. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, hold the plank. Make sure you keep your butt a little bit up. Keep it up. Don't just sag in the middle. Keep it up. Let's go. Just for 25 seconds. Keep it going just like that. All right, keep it going 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. All right, so the next exercise is going to be the same plank, but it's going to be straight down plank. All right, in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get the plank going. Let's go. Just nice and up. Keep your butt a little bit up. 20, 19, 18. Let's go. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. I know you guys are getting the hang of it now. So the next one is going to be mountain climber, adding some movement to this core work. Just 20 seconds, mountain climber. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep your butt nice and stable. I don't want you to be rocking back and forth. Just keep it nice and stable. Keep it going, just like that. Just flex your feet, just like that. Let's go. Now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. Let's build that core. Let's build that core. Next one is going to be side plank. Side plank. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's get there. Go. If you know you struggle with the side plank, you got to bend your bottom leg. Just keep the top leg nice and extended. You guys know this is day 1. Three, 2, 1. All right, rest. All right, turn around. The next one is going to be leg tuck. So you're just going to lay down, extend your leg, and just bring it in, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Extend it out. Relax your head on the mat. You guys know I'm talking, that's why my head is up. Just relax your head. Let's go. Halfway there. Just fully extend it out. 5, 4. Let's go. 2, 1. All right, rest. All right, so the next one is going to be some isometric hold. You're just going to lift your feet up, open your hand up, just balance on your tailbone, just like that, for 25 seconds. Let's go. Get there, let's go. Balance your feet and balance your hand. Let's go. 20 seconds. Let's build that core. Build that core. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. All right, next one is going to be crawl up. Crawl up. So for the crawl up, set your feet at 45-degree angle. So your hand is going to be nice and straight on the side, and just reach, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Go. Let's go. Just for 25 seconds. Keep it going, keep it going. I know by the end of this 30 days, you won't regret subscribing. All right, rest. Woo. All right, so the next one is going to be dead bug. So for the dead bug, you're going to bring one knee in, extend the other one, and just like that. Go. Then at the halfway mark, I'm going to let you switch. So your leg got to be off the ground. Switch. Does it flex your feet? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, rest. Woo. All right, the next one is going to be bicycle, but without the hand. So what you're going to do, just go switch, just like that. Does it flex? Ready? Go. Let's go. Keep it going, keep it going. Just 25 seconds. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, rest. How you all feeling? All right, the next one is going to be V up hold. So what you're going to do, extend your leg, extend your arm just like that. And just hold for 25 seconds. If you can bring your feet all the way, that's fine. That's fine. You guys know this is day one. Just, you can bring it down. Just bring it up. All right, ready? Let me redo the timer. Ready? Get set. Let's go. V up. Ooh. Keep it going. Walk on those balance. Walk on the core. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. All right, guys, we got 4 more exercises. 4 more exercises. And we're going to call it, and I'm going to see you on day 2. All right, you guys ready? All right, so the next one is going to be Flutter Kick. Flutter Kick. You can create a diamond, place on your back just to keep your back nice and stable. All right, ready? Extend your leg out. Let's go. Go. 25 seconds. Let's go. Relax your head on the ground. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, you guys know we got 3 more exercises. Just 3 more exercises. So the next one is going to be the same leg tuck, but we're going to stimulate it doing the leg tuck. So what you're going to do, you're going to keep your hand up, extend your feet, and just toes just like that. Touching your elbow to your knee. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's get it. Bring your hand up, alternating. Extend your leg, let's go. 25 seconds, let's go. Walking on those core. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know the core should be burning, the abs should be burning right now. All right, 2 more exercises. All right, back to turn around, turn around. So on this one, it's going to be downward dog, toe touch. Downward dog, toe touch. So what you're going to do, you're going to come up on your tippy toe, just like this. Then what you're going to do, you're going to go to a straight arm plank. Then you're going to come back, tap, and tap. You guys ready? All right, let's get it, let's get it. Full plank, let's go. Tap, and tap, just like that, keep it going. Walking on the core. Because you guys know, the core is everything. Even lifting, doing your deadlift, without a strong core, you're not going to be able to keep your back nice and straight. Then that's a safety issue. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, 1 more exercise that we're going to call it today, guys. 1 more exercise. So we're going to go back to our first exercise, which is plank. Plank. All right, you guys ready? Let's get it. Plank. Let's go. For the last 25 seconds for day 1. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Let's go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoa. Alright guys, we just made it to the end of day 1. So how do you guys feel? Make sure you guys comment down below. Give this video a like, share this. This is day 1, 29 more days to go. So I'm going to try to make this video every other day. So you guys keep an eyes out. So if you guys subscribe, you guys should automatically get the notification. So day 2, we're going to focus on just building a baseline. That's what we're going to do. Just some baseline on day 2. In terms of cardio-wise, building those aerobic, just baseline. That's what we're going to be doing on day 2. So first of all, for day 2, you guys should plan ahead. You guys are going to need some treadmill. Just treadmill, and that's it. Or you guys can just do it outside. So for day 2, it's going to involve some aerobic and just body weight. That's what we're going to do on day 2. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. The subscription just keep this keep the motivation and the will to just keep making this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Alright, I'm going to see you in day 2. Alright guys, signing out. And let's ace the ACFT.